got the thumbnail shot. We should be good.
Don't make it all awkward or anything, you know.
That was just Peter. He's here doing some final touches on our Waterjet from Flow. And he just wants to see how the sausage gets made. What is this?
It was a fresh coconut. That was about a month ago when a fan said, "Hey, I brought back a fresh coconut from Hawaii." This is now about a month and a half, month later. So this is kind of a moldy coconut. But we're going to show you how to open it.
So today we have a short video tutorial on how to open up a coconut just using water. Step one is you just have to pick up a run-of-the-mill Flow Waterjet cutting machine. This one is a Mach 200. I think
It's the run-of-the-mill Mach 200. You can pick them up at your local Waterjet shop.
and you could probably get away with just a Mach 100 if they don't have any Mach 200s in stock. We've got the 200 already, so we're gonna continue with that. Next step, don't mind this mess. Mitchell didn't sweep this morning. We need to select the appropriate thickness. We're about 9 inches. And then from our drop-down menu, we've got dry husked coconut, fresh green coconut, 4-week kind of moldy coconut. That's what we're using, so we'll select that. Next step is we'll turn on the water jet and we'll just run it across that at about 50 inches per minute. Once that is cut, pull it off of your mounting nails. And
Ugh, that smells weird.
there it is. Okay, dig in.
Fresh coconut.
Those of our viewers that are unfamiliar, would you mind going over the parts of the coconut real quick?
I would be happy to, Dan. This is the coconut. And this is the inside of the coconut. Outside, inside.
So now when you are cutting your coconut in half, you can successfully identify the different parts.
Over here you've got the inside, and here you've got the outside. One more time for some of you. Inside, outside, inside, outside.
This coconut was provided to us by a fan. He's actually a traveling rock polishing kid. He helped us with the that fossil.
Yeah, and then apparently he traveled and polished a rock and brought it to us, and a coconut, and some seashells we'll do later.
So thanks, rock polishing traveling kid
Child.
salesman.
Thanks for watching today's video. If you'd like to watch the video where we cut a 400-pound magnet in half, click here. If you'd like to watch the video YouTube thinks you're gonna love, click down here. And if you'd like to buy a knife, click like over here on my face or something. I'm almost done, Dan. Oh, it's a rock.